Lolu hlelo iBorder Management Authority uhloswe ngalokusiza ukwela umngcele ngokusemthethweni ukuqeda ubugebengu emngceleni obufana nokushushubisa izimpahla kuzojutshwa onogada ezingxenyeni ezimingcele ezithathwa njengezingozi.
Those guys can shoot, those guns can shoot, and I hope their most important weapon won't be the guns that they are carrying, but will be their integrity.
Kusenjalo uDokotela uMotsoalde uxeke labo athi bayaqhubeka nokubukela phansi umthetho wakulelizwe uthi ungena ngongemthetho kulelizwe kuyefana nokuhlasela umbuso.
Where some gentlemen from Pakistan were going illegally into the country and going in through passages that are made for fire hydrants. Now, that was not an illegal entry into South Africa. It was an invasion of the country. And we're supposed to fold our arms and smile. When your country is being invaded, there is no country anywhere in the world that will allow that. I'm surprised why people believe we must allow that type of a thing. It's not going to happen anymore in this country.
Lolu hlelo kulindele ukuthi lusungulwe ngokugcwele ngoMbasa ka-2023 kanti luwumphumela ukubambisana kweminyango yahlukene kahulumeni luzodla izigidi ezisi-7 zamarandi. Kunethemba ke lokuthi lolu hlelo luzoqasha onogada basemngceleni abangamakhulu ayisithupha abazoqapha lo mngcele ongamakhilomitha acela ezinkulungwane ezinhlanu. Labo nogada ke abebebukeka benomdlandla bacikice isibophezelo sokuzinikela kulo msebenzi.